Hey everyone, it's Lisa from Moon Prism Planner. Welcome back to my channel for another video, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Either way, thanks for clicking and spending a little time with me today. For today's video, I am going to be doing a complete flip through and review of the newest planner from Recollections. And this is their 12-month academic year, 2021 to 2022 planner. So I'm going to be flipping through this. I'm going to be comparing it to the last year's Celestial planner so you can see all of the changes. I also have another planner that they sent me, so I figured I would go ahead and show you this one as well, because why not? So first let's go ahead and get into this planner, since this is mainly what the video is about. So this is the Recollections 12-month spiral planner. It is in the vertical format. It does begin in June of 2021 and it goes through May of 2022. You're going to get your monthly layout in here, as well as all 52 weeks as well, and it's usually priced at $29.99. Last I checked just now at Michael's, it's on sale for $20.99. And so what I've actually realized is Craftsmith Co. sent me this planner for free without any stipulation. I don't have to say nice things or whatever. So I'm just going to give you an honest review, and I can't actually compare it to the Celestial planner because I realized while they look the same, this is the Celestial planner last year that they gave me, and I am still currently using this one. So while they do look kind of, you know, similar, like very celestial and stuff, I mean, obviously it's a different cover, but you know, all the stars and patterns and moons and things, it looks like, you know, like the newest Celestial planner. You notice it says vertical planner here. When I got this planner, the sticker said Celestial planner. And when I went through this planner, it's missing all of the things that make it Celestial. And then I realized this isn't their Celestial planner. They didn't send me the Celestial planner. The Celestial planner actually has like a moon, like a crescent moon cover, I believe. I'll try to insert a picture here so that you can see, compared to this one, it's not the Celestial planner. This is just a really pretty celestial looking vertical planner. But if you pick this one up, don't be confused, because unless you check the inside, you're gonna notice that, if you don't check the inside, you're gonna notice when you get the planner home, it's missing all of the stuff that the Celestial planner has. So for example, let me flip through it and show you what I mean. It came with this little protective sheet right here. And then you've got your space to write your name or contact information or whatever. And it's got some nice stars and things. It is rose gold foiled, and there's a rose gold coil. And it is a hardbound cover. It is not interchangeable, but you can clip through these with like little scissors and change the cover out yourself if you want. But anyways, here's your first page, and then the tab is right there. You get a year at a glance for the academic year. And then you've got some note pages and some stickers, and these just say like birthday, vacation, appointment. Let's see. And then we've got like use your intuition and dream, and some quotes and page flags and little arrows and things like that. And then you've got some like quarter boxes and some full boxes and some pretty moon full box kind of situation. Not totally full box, but you know, habit trackers and some starry checklist, scalloped checklist things, and then a bunch of icons and emojis. And then you've got the pocket, which I love this pocket. The Celestial planner has a different setup for their pocket, but I do love just kind of the, you know, easy double-sided little slip pocket. It's kind of almost secretarial, but anyways, the dividers are very pretty. So here's June. I'll show you all of the dividers. And here's what the monthly layout looks like. I love this whole dangly starriness. If y'all watch my plan with me, y'all know I love little dangly dainty things. So I love the monthly layout. It's super pretty. And then everything is very neutral. So it's very just kind of like this off grayish color, I guess you could say, off tan, I don't know. So it's very neutral. It appears that their paper is still this kind of not quite white color. Here's a glimpse of their last year's planner, and the paper is kind of it's not quite white. I have a little strip of white out here to see if you could like see through it. It's on a clear page flag sticky note, and see how you can see the white out is much brighter than the paper is. So just so you know, there the paper is still a kind of off white. So if you're going to use white out on it, you're going to be able to, it's going to be very noticeable, unfortunately. But anyways, here's what the vertical week looks like. And then here are each of the tabs. Here is July's, and as you can see, it's not dangly this time. It's like a starry pattern, so your monthly format is a little different. Here's August. Ooh, I like those little dangly things. Ooh, pretty marble for September. Cute. Here's October. And here's November. That's really neat looking. And December. And as you can see, you've got major holidays like Christmas, Hanukkah, and winter solstice. Here is January, New Year 2022. What's this, February? March. April, that's cute. As you can see, these are repeating, but the dividers are all different. Here's May. And then it ends with May. Then you have your notes pages, and you've got 2, 4, oh my gosh, you've got a ton. Looks like you've got 19 notes pages and then another sheet of paper on the back. So it's a great vertical option, but just, so in case you were looking for their celestial planner, this isn't it. And so I can show you what I mean, why it's different in case you haven't seen the celestial planner for last year. This planner was really popular and it sold out. Let me make sure there's no personal information in the front. Okay, now, so you've got how to use this planner in the front here, and it's got like information about how to use the moons, the seasons, and the retrogrades. The year at a glance is the same. Then you've got this planetary quick reference and an astrological quick reference. You've got what to expect for the retrogrades and how to approach the moon phases. So as you can see, there's a ton more celestial things going on in this planner. So it's definitely geared more towards zodiac and astrology. And you've got the whole lunar phases for the entire year. And you've got this, I forgot to fill this out at the beginning of the year, your intuitions for the year, or intentions for the year, sorry. And then you've got the same kind of stickers, except these are more astrological. Like you've got important and birthday and appointment and stuff, vacation, but then you've also got like intuitions and all of the zodiac signs and all of the planets here. And then you've got these really neat like full boxes. Basically, this is what all of our dividers look like in this planner, with some like tarot reading, which I forgot I need to start using those as well since I started reading. Full moon and new moon intentions and some checklists. And then you've got dream work, creative, self-learning, slow down, meditation, dive deep, stuff like that. Use your power. And then those are cute, astrology icons. And you've also got this sheet of paper for it's a front and back like removable sticker paper. And then here's how the pocket is different than in just the standard vertical planners. It is like this, but then in the celestial planner, and I noticed online too that their new celestial planner has the same pocket where you've got the little string and then it opens up. So they kept the same pocket for their new celestial planners. And this is what they look like in the vertical. And then for the months, for the celestial planners, I don't know about this year, but I'm assuming it's going to be the same since from what I saw with the pocket and everything, it looks the same. You've got the like sign for that month. Well, the sign it's transitioning to, I guess, whatever, I don't know. And then some information about the sign and any planetary things going on. I also like how with the celestial planner, let me show you a blank month. When you look at the month, it'll tell you not only like important holidays for that month, which there's none in June, so let's go to July. You've got like Independence Day here, but you've also got the new moon and the full moon, So I like that they include that too, or like in June they included this annual solar eclipse here and the summer solstice. So I like that they include more planetary things in the celestial planner. So if that's what you're going for, they do have a celestial planner. They just didn't send it to me. They sent me just this vertical planner, which again is still nice. It's nice if you want this really cool zodiac celestial witchy kind of look, but you don't need all that extra information about retrogrades and the zodiac and astrology. You don't need all that. You just want a planner, but you still like the look of it, then this is great. And really pretty too. I love how the months are decorated like that, and then everything else is really neutral. So, and the tabs are neutral too. So I'm actually going to be giving this little puppy away in a giveaway shortly on my Instagram. So make sure you follow me on there in case you want a chance to win this 2021 to 2022 academic year planner from Recollections. So that's this one. Let me show you the other one as well. This is also a 12-month weekly spiral planner, and it is the same academic year, June to May, but it's not celestial or anything. So they just sent me this as a little bonus, which I appreciate. And I'm actually going to be keeping this one. I think I'm going to use it for just like daily planning and kind of pre-planning and content planning and stuff like that. So not stuff that's going to be featured on my channel, because I plan in my celestial planner on my channel, in case you're new here. But this is going to be great for just using for, like I said, pre-planning or whatever. So I really like the pretty rose gold cover. You've got some mixed metals here because the spiral coil is gold, but the rose gold and then the numbers are gold. So it's really pretty. And then this is an interesting format. I don't know what size it is. It's obviously smaller, as you can see, than like their traditional medium 7x9. So I don't know what size this is. Is this like an A6? No, I think it's a little bigger than A6. I don't know what it is. 6x6 and 8x3. I don't know what that would be comparable to. If you know, then leave me a comment and let me know. But this one is very, very, gives me more of a professional feel. Like you could take this to work and it's very chic and classy and stuff, you know, to have on your desk. So I like this simple little page here. And you've got some contact information, and then you've got the full year of 2021 and 2022 at a glance. I like how they're just like little, and again, it just looks so classy. And then this is great for like, you can do a lot of things with these kind of pages. I have done like monthly highlights before. I've also done monthly important reminders. So like annual things, you know, so that way, like, let's say I had a gynecologist appointment in August last year and I want to remember that, but let's say I'm going through my planner and last year to figure out when was that appointment, I don't want to go through month by month by month trying to figure out when was my appointment. I can just refer to this year at a glance section, and I'll have important things like last time I saw this doctor, or last time I had my tires changed, last time I had my oil change. Oh, there's my gynecology appointment. I need to make it again for March, like that kind of thing. So important stuff can go here, like important annual things or whatever. Lots of different options. I think I've seen people journal with photos and stuff, whatever. And then you've got a vision board section. That's nice with some like dot grid. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit more. Okay, I think that's good. Whoops. Then we've got some more dot grid, and then we start June. And the months are very, you know, very neutral, very plain. I like that. You get a little sidebar here. I like that oh, interesting. I didn't know that Father's Day was also on the summer solstice this year. I like that the Recollections planners are now being more like diversive. Is that the word? I'm not quite sure if that's the word, but they're including holidays that some other planners don't normally include. For example, like Juneteenth, or instead of Columbus Day, they have switched it out with Indigenous Peoples Day. So I appreciate things like that. And here's what your week looks like. So definitely different because it's a whole like week on one page, and then you've got a little section for journaling. So that's why I think this will be great for me to use for pre-planning or just kind of daily planning, because I can just, you know, put in here what I've got going on for the day. And then if there's extra stuff I need to jot down or things I want to make a checklist for or whatever, I have a little section here. So very interesting format. Kind of reminds me of like a Hobo Weeks planner where you've got the week on one page and then like a note section, except obviously this is much bigger, but similar kind of format. So there's nothing else to really see because every week is pretty much the same. And then in the back, I'll show you what's in the back. After the last week of May, then you've just got a bunch of these lined note pages that have a little border thing or whatever, and there's a bunch of different kinds because you've got checklist note pages, dot grid note pages, and then lined note pages. So tons of note pages here, and that's what the back page looks like. It's a little bit difficult when these are in the way to close it, so I think, I don't know, maybe if I do it this way. Oh, there you go. So that is the second planner that you can get from, whoops, let me zoom back out, that you can get from Recollections. And they have plenty more. I saw a ton of people sharing like a meal planner and like a regular vertical planner without all the celestial look, and tons of stuff. So hope you go check out some more videos if that is what you're into, but those are the only planners that they sent me this year. They did also include a couple of things. They're not really planners, and I did share these in my February haul, but I'll show you really quick in case you missed that video. They also have released a weekly desk planner that is blank. You can just write the week in and use it for whenever you want, and it's got a nice rose gold foiling and some stars in the background. Very pretty. This is really great for, I think, keeping on your desk at work or something like that. That's probably what I will do when I get a job again. And then they also sent me this monthly planner. On the front here, you've got May the Moon and Stars Guide You, and it does have a kind of more muted or matte rose gold foil to it. And it's just like a really big monthly planner. So this is cool to prop up somewhere or have on your desk too, if that's what you want, like a desk planner for. So big days, really cool. It's again, just the academic year. So they sent that for me as well. And they have also introduced a wall calendar. So this is again got the mixed metals where you've got the rose gold foiling, but then the gold like coiling stuff. And it is academic year, which is interesting. I've never really seen like a wall calendar with an academic year. It's usually just January to December. So that's really interesting. And the cover says it's in the stars. And then you have beautiful rose gold foiling each month. And it's just like a standard little wall calendar that you can hang up on your wall. And the whole family can see any important things going on, or birthdays and anniversaries coming up and holidays and soccer practice and, you know, that kind of thing. So they also have this in Michael's as well. And I'll just show you each month really quickly in case you would like to see that. I love the dangly stars for December, for Christmas. Ooh, look at the detail down here. How cute. I just love the detail that you get with every month. They always include some kind of little different detail here. Here's my birth month. Oops. It keeps on moving. There's March, April. I love how the whole border has these little scallop circles. And May. And that's where it ends. Because again, it's academic. So that's everything I have to show you for the new Recollections celestial planners or vertical planners or whatever planner they send me. It's just a basic vertical planner. Unfortunately, not the celestial one, but it is still in stock. Because remember, last year's celestial planner sold out so fast, and quite a lot of people were sad that they couldn't get it. So I know that what they sent me was not the celestial planner, but they do still have it in stock. I saw it online and it's on sale. It's $9 off right now. So make sure you grab it if you want that. Anyways, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. It really helps out my channel and I appreciate your support. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss more of my videos. I put out content regularly. And leave me a question down below if you have a question, or if you just want to say hi, just leave me a comment. My watch is trying to tell me I have met my stand goal for today. That is fantastic. Anyways, I hope that y'all take care. Remember that you are loved, you are worthy, and you are enough just the way that you are. Don't let anyone ever tell you otherwise. Hope that y'all stay safe. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.